It's a great opportunity for me to welcome you for this MOU signing ceremony with EduSkills. Bringing choices to find chances to bring changes is the mantra of the life. We, Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering Technology, always aspire to bring changes in the lives of the children and the students who are studying in our institution. As a part of the team, Dr. B. Vidya ma'am, who is a great support and guidance to make all these things happen. Dr. K. V. Jayaraman sir, Dean Academics of our institution, who is always supporting us and striving hard to make each and every program and the thing that we are doing in a great team. Thank you, sir, and welcome you, sir. It's my honor to welcome the heads of the Department of various of our institution, Dr. Mahimaraj, Dr. Maharaj, Mr. Venkatesan, Mr. Ganesan, and I also welcome the coordinator of research and development wing, Dr. Amudavalli and his team, for the tireless effort to bring this event at Grand One. And I also welcome the placement officer of our institution, Mr. Anand Raj, the other faculties of our institution, and most importantly, my student friends. I once again welcome you all for this wonderful event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
No person was ever honored for what he received. Honor has been the reward what he gave. Now it's time to honor our chief guest, Dr. Satyaranjan Biswal, co-founder and CTO of EduSkills. With immense admiration and respect, I welcome our CEO ma'am and principal sir to honor the chief guest with their shawl and memento. I would like to invite our dean, Dr. K. V. Jayaraman sir, to honor our CEO ma'am.
Thank you to all the dignitaries. The essence of great leadership is influence and not authority. With this note, I feel much honored to welcome our Chief Operating Officer, Dr. B. Vidya, the guiding star of all our ventures and the one who strives hard towards all the upliftment of our institution. I welcome her to deliver the felicitation address.
Good evening, one and all. It's my honor to welcome you, sir, have you in our campus, amidst our team of faculties and our students. So, I would like to congratulate our principal and dean of SVCT for taking much steps and supporting the students. They are more student friendly. Whenever he addresses the students, even in the welcome address, he says student friends and student friends, I get it, which I have noticed in many of the events which is conducted here in SVC. In that manner, when it is in academics and any skill training or placement training, I really appreciate the team, the principal and the dean for taking such efforts in identifying the right people to make, whether it's an MOU or whether it's placement or training programs to be conducted for the students. They identify the right people. In that aspect, even this time, they have identified the right organization, that is the EduLife, which I have heard through your principal. What are the things they have done to the faculties, the training programs they provide to the faculties of technology. So when I heard through Mr. Satyarajan, he said like they are running this EduSkill for nearly 12 or 13 years, which itself speaks about skills and the training they conduct to the student, the faculties. And once the faculties get trained, it will be definitely projected to the students, which is what is expected out of this training program. So once our faculties get trained under the EduLife Edu skills, so it will be shared to our students, and from the senior students definitely to the juniors, and this training program should be in the air, and kindly take it over. Utilize the maximum things out of it. Make the opportunity given to you more fruitful. That is what is expected from you all. So all the best for you, and welcome you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for your motivational speech, ma'am.
Collaboration allows us to know more. Then, we are capable of knowing by ourselves. We, Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering and Technology, invite our guest, Dr. Satyaranjan Biswal, to exchange the signed MOU. I request Dr. Satyaranjan Biswal to hand over EduSkills membership certificate to us.
So I request all the academy trainers to be here. Anand sir, Kamranathan sir. We have signed MOU, Industry Center of Excellence of the Corporate Academics, AWS Academy, Blue Prism University, Microchip Academic Programs, Celonis Academy, Palo Alto Network Cybersecurity Academy, Juniper Network Academy, Cisco Networking Academy, and Red Hat Academy. Thank you for your support, sir. I never dreamed about success. I work for it. We all know that everyone needs a little push sometimes, whether we are starting a new career or to work out our ambition. In order to ensure the career success of each one of our budding talents, EduSkills is providing various internship programs. These programs will give exposure to our students and also for faculty members. Now I request Dr. Satyaranjan Biswal, an epitome of success who is the co-founder and CTO of EduSkills, to motivate our students to get the awareness about the AICT internship programs. I welcome you, sir.
Good afternoon, good evening, one and all over here. Respected Vijay ma'am, respected principal officer, respected dean, sir, and the person who is behind this entire sector of excellence, madam, who is driving the show with all those supported faculty members. So everything is possible only because of your team, madam. You and your team. So a big congratulations and hoping a lot from you so that we will be able to enable to maximum students of Sri Venkateswara through you only. Because we do have a limited bandwidth, we can't train students directly. That's why our model is a bit different. We train the faculty member and we enable the faculty member not only training with the certifications, like some of you might have information like AWS, Amazon Web Service. There are a huge requirement with AWS certified candidates which are not available. If you search in Google, you will be getting TCS, Capgemini, Cognizant, Wipro, a lot. They are having AWS certified candidates as the prerequisite, but we don't have such candidates available in India, throughout India. So this is only possible through this trained and certified faculty members. So we are trying to enable the faculty members of the institutions who are collaborating with us. And the beauty of the program is everything is free to you. Means you need not have to buy any license, software, anything. Everything will be providing, will be enabling on your system, laptop or desktop. Whatever labs you want to do, you consider with Red Hat or Palo Alto or Celonis, everything will be provided on Blue Prism, everything will be provided from our side. You have to only learn, then you can reach to any level you want. So the programs like, there are so many center of excellence which is established, and one thing Pradeep sir had a discussion with me, he wants to do the same for biomedical, mechanical. We are trying to make something, add to our bucket. I can't commit anything now because of the time constraint, but we are also trying to add that to our bucket. But all our programs are available mostly for the benefit to computer science, even circuit branches. Circuit branches, whatever we tell, it is a combination of computer science, IT, electronics, triply, light. So all our programs are, you can avail. And your faculty members, by now most of the center of excellence, your faculty members are ready by now. Hopefully, madam. Only one probably left, that is Red Hat. Only Red Hat training is left and Juniper added? Left. Okay, Cisco. Okay. So opportunities are huge. I can assure you, I am not telling for this sake. You identify, you make yourself learn AWS. Only AWS I am telling. You just learn AWS Cloud Foundation, then Cloud Associate level, Cloud Solution Architect. These are the two courses. You can directly go for Solution Architect with the certification, but it will be a bit tough to qualify or to complete the certification without Cloud Foundation. There are two courses, Cloud Foundation, then next level, and Associate is Solution Architect. If someone will be able to get the certificate of Associate level Solution Architect of AWS, I can assure you, you will have wonderful and ample of opportunities. we don't have candidates available all over India. And it's not like that we are only requiring experienced candidates. It's not only for lateral hiring, it is for freshers also. Freshers have been called the requirement in the AWS. Please go ahead, and there is some cost investment is there, cost involved. So the certification cost is 7,500 plus GST. That is solution architect. So this is the amount you have to invest, and you can reach to any level. So a candidate who is availing TCS opportunity with 3.2 or 3.4 lakhs, if you are having AWS certification, it will not come less than 4.5 LPA. So in the first year you will be able to get ROI, return on investment. Hopefully this point is reaching you. So nowadays no one among us is learning anything for the sake of learning. If I am investing my time, effort, my study, I should have some visible outcome, tangible. So all our programs are connected with placements. First internship, then placement. And the beauty of internship, what we are driving through this Center of Excellence, all these courses are accredited by Ministry of Education and AICTE. If any student is availing any internship from these domains, he or she will get one AICTE Ministry of Education internship certificate plus 2 credit per course. If one BTech student I am availing this internship from my first semester till completing the 8th semester, I can avail 8 internships and 16 credit will be added to my entire curriculum I have covered. As well as 8 internship certificates from Government of India. And everything is free. No one is charging anything to you. Only you have to put your effort and time. So nothing else. So you are listening to so many things, and for last 2 years around, we are listening only virtual mode. And in virtual, we know what is happening in reality. Speaker is going on, and we are on our own job. So slowly we are coming to physical mode. It's good that I got some opportunity to interact with you. So please avail these opportunities through your faculty members, your college. Everything is available within the campus. You need not have to move to any institution or pay anyone to get these services. Everything is free. The course content, the LMS is available on cloud. The lab environment is, or the software you want to do all hands-on, it is available on cloud, or it will be installed on your machine. You can do maximum all the hands-ons. It's completely up to you. And once you are completing the internship, that journey is not stopped there. We are pushing. We are also trying to add so much of hiring opportunities so that our member institution students who are being trained on these technologies, they should be blessed with good handsome salary. That's why we have started that one from last year also, and this year some of the opportunities probably madam that will share in your group, more are yet to come. Please be ready with these technologies. Opportunities are big. Maybe whenever the 40 students will be leaving the campus, maximum will have minimum 2-3 opportunities. You will be in the ambiguity state to choose which one to join or which one to reject. Don't think that there are not jobs. I am doing engineering for the sake of it was on compulsion from my parents. It's not like that. Opportunities are more. So only doing BTech, I may not be able to do much. If BTech with all this or any one of the Center of Excellence courses, I have the certification, it will enable me for all opportunities. Yesterday we had one meeting with Celonis in Bangalore. Yesterday night only. So Celonis has connected with so many channel partners in India who are working with Celonis products. We had a good discussion yesterday, and they are having some freshers opportunities on Celonis process mining technology. Process mining, it's not data mining. Process mining is the next level of data mining. So lots of opportunities. We are trying to onboard maximum channel partners of this technology or corporates like Juniper. You know Juniper, who are the clients who are using Juniper products? SBI. All over India, entire State Bank of India network is, entire platform is Juniper based. Airport, Bangalore Airport, Delhi Airport, Mumbai Airport, entire network is Juniper based. So who will use all those devices? They need skilled people, and there are requirements. If you are a fresher with these skills, you are far go ahead as compared to your batchmates. Please be ready, enable yourself with these tools and technologies. You will be able to grab anything, whatever you want. Okay, so start doing something. APJ Abdul Kalam, what he told usually with all student interactions, dream something which will not allow you to sleep. Okay, so this was from my side. We will have detailed discussion with Madam and team if what else can be added so that you will be able to get maximum benefits. We are here. That is the whole purpose of visiting your campus. I will try to make it everything available for you in this campus. You need not have to move out from this campus for any of the tools or software or lab activity or training or the certification, anything. Okay, thank you all. If you have any queries, please reach out to your faculty members or to Madam so that it will be reaching to us and we will be able to do something for you. Okay, thank you all.
Mr. Kamalanavan, look AWS Academy Certified Educator. Mr. K. Antal, Celonis Academy Certified Educator. Mr. Murali, Microchip Academy Certified Educator. Ms. A. Moshika, Palo Alto Cybersecurity Academy Certified Educator. Ms. Vinita, Celonis Academy Certified Educator. Thank you to all the dignitaries. Now we have come to the end of the program. Let me call upon our dean, Dr. K.V. Jayaraman sir, the driving force behind all our endeavors, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening to all of you. Mr. Chairman, distinguished special speakers, beloved principal, faculties and students, I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks. I extend my sincere thanks to Sri P. Ramachandran, Chairman of SVGA, for his guidance in all aspects for the welfare of this organization. Thank you very much, sir. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our Managing Director, Sri R. Rajiv Krishna, sir, and Tirumali Dr. P. Vidya, Chief Operating Officer, Madam. And I am extending my sincere thanks to our Principal, Dr. Pradeep Devanay, for his constant effort for this MOU signing ceremony. Thank you very much for all your efforts, sir. I extend my warm thanks to the Chief Guest of Honor, Dr. Satyaranjan Biswal, co-founder and the CEO, EduSkills, for his august presence to our campus. Thank you very much, sir. I would like to convey my sincere thanks to Subhajit Jagadev, co-founder and the CEO, Lovamutra Sen, Vice President, Operation and Strategic Alliance, for our consistent support and encouragement. My heartfelt thanks to the operations team, Ram Gaudam, Senior Program Manager, P. Sivasankaramurthy, Program Manager, Priyadarshini Rao, Program Manager, Ipsita Priyadarshini, Assistant Manager Operation, Pilala Diksha, Assistant Manager Operation, for all of their immediate response and dedication towards their commitment. Our sincere thanks to the technical team of EduSkills for their guidance, and our overwhelming and sincere gratitude to Dr. Pradeep Singh K. Desai, President, ISTE, New Delhi. Next, I would like to convey my warm thanks to our academic trained educators, Parallel Mr. J. Anandaraj, Ms. A. Moshika, Guru Nisam, Mr. Kamal Kannan, and Mr. Ravindran, Microchip, Mrs. K. Sujata, Mr. Murali, Sarvanis, Mrs. K. Kandar, Mrs. Ms. Vidita, KWUs, Ms. Nagamani Akrami, Ms. Talavari, Research and Development Team. I am extending my warm thanks to our R&D coordinator, Dr. Amdo Limana, for all her efforts towards this particular MOU signing. And I am extending my warm thanks to all the stakeholders, participating students, head of the departments, teaching and non-teaching staff members for their wonderful efforts for this particular occasion. Further, I am extending my heartfelt thanks to all the digital marketing team, especially for the graphic design works and the tireless promotion of this event in all the social media as and when required. I am extending my warm thanks to our IT department also for their successful content of online content investigation. Finally, I would like to thank all the alumni for the successful ending of MOU signing ceremony as per the schedule. Once again, thank you all. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. River never go reverse. So let's live like a river. Let go of the past, striving on the present, grabbing the opportunity, focusing on the future, and reaching our destination. With this wonderful message, we would like to end this program. Let's all rise up for the national anthem.
Yeah.